Ooh, ooh, pizza, lunchtime, lunchtime at the Gregor's house. Oh, oops. G'day guys, Greg here. I was just looking at something for lunch and I saw Domino's has got, well, a Halloween special. It's a pizza called the Halloween Roulette. Now on this pizza, one of the slices has got some ghost chili pepper sauce on it. Mate! Imagine getting that slice. That'd stuff your day up, wouldn't it? Well, who knows? You might really enjoy it. Anyway, I'm going to go and grab one of these Halloween roulette pizzas from Domino's and just see how hot this ghost pepper chili sauce is. Let's order one first. Right. Oh, there it is. So I'm scared. Right. So we're going to pick up. Right, I put the store in, and you know what? I think I might try one of these, where was it? Loaded pepperoni. Oh, yeah, that sounds alright. Now here, it then comes up with play Halloween roulette. Why not? Oh, if I dare. Yeah, I do. Right. Okay, add to order. Go to checkout. And now all I have to do is go and pick up my pizza. Let's go. Alrighty, well, here we go. The Halloween roulette pizza. It's even got a sticker on it to let you know that you better be careful. Try it if you dare. Well, I'm up for it. Let's suss it out. Yes. Alright. Here we go. The ghost chili Halloween pizza. Come at me, bro! By the way, this is a loaded pepperoni pizza. Gee, it looks good. And I actually got some chili flakes put on there too. And it costs $8.20, just FYI. But look how much pepperoni's on there. Now, I can't tell which piece has got the hot sauce on it. Is there some sort of indicator here? Maybe there's something in the pepperonis that he's done to indicate which is the hot piece. Although I can't really see. I guess I'm just going to have to take a bite out of every piece and, well, until I get the hot chili one. I hope it's not the first one I bite into. Anyway, this pizza's looking good. Let's see if this is the hot one. Look how greasy this is. Look at the oil that this pizza's left. That's always a good sign for heaps of fat and heaps of flavour, which this pizza kind of has, but it's sort of missing a little bit of something. Anyway, it wasn't that piece. I wonder if it was this piece. No. It wasn't that piece either. Looks like I'm doing the full roulette, folks. But I don't mind. So crazy. No, it wasn't that piece either. Let's see if it's this piece. Well, I think so. I think it was this piece. Actually, I think it could be several pieces. I think I've discovered the hot sauce. Now, when I brought this last piece up to my face, I could smell something different. And, well, just looking here, I can see here under this cheese that there's this sauce there. And I'm reckoning that there is that ghost pepper chili sauce right there. Oh, let's see. Let's see how hot it is. Well, it's warm, it's spicy, and when I actually swallowed it, it was only then when it sort of started to really, I could feel the heat running down the back of my throat. Otherwise, it's not really as ghost peppery as I was sort of imagining. And, well, I've tried a Carolina Reaper, and I tell you what, that's the last thing I want to do ever again. But this is pretty mild, actually. I'm a bit surprised that it's a ghost chili that they used. Yeah, it's a little bit spicy. It's warming my tongue and lips up now, and I mean, my throat is still like on fire. But besides that, it's really not that spicy. It's quite edible, actually, and I'll prove it by eating some. My pants got to eat some too. Right. Oh, it's spicy. Now it's starting to really kick in because I had that whole piece with a whole lot of chili on it. And, all right, that is pretty warm. But it is bearable, and it's nothing that's probably going to require a few thick shakes to help you breathe. But it's nothing too extreme, and, well, it sort of half is. It's starting to feel a bit warm, but it's really not as bad as what I was sort of expecting it to be. It's a spicy pizza. That's about it. It'd probably be the same if they had fresh chilies cut up on there. But, I'll tell you what, though. I think I'm starting to sweat a little, and so there is some heat there. Wow. Yeah, that is kind of warm, that. The longer that it lingers in my mouth, the hotter I'm getting, and the more I'm sweating. Mate, maybe it is a hot chili sauce. Well, it is. It's a ghost chili pepper sauce, so. But there you go. There's the loaded pepperoni. In and itself, it's not a bad pizza. I mean, it's got pepperoni on it, mate. What more do you want? And for $8.20, it's a solid feed too. Yeah, this will really fill me up today. The pizza is super greasy, but that's probably just from the oil melting off that pepperoni. But I am enjoying it, and, well, as far as a score out of 10's concerned, I think I'll give it 8.0000000000001 out of 10. It's not a bad pizza, actually, and it's going to be pretty filling. And with all that pepperoni and grease on there, mate, this would be perfect after a big weekend. Or maybe to serve at your Halloween party. Play Halloween roulette there and see which sucker gets the hot piece. But be warned, that is a pretty spicy hot piece of chili. And, well, if you're not used to chili, hey, look out! But if you are a big fan of chili, I still think you'll find it pretty warm, and but it's quite enjoyable, and I did quite enjoy it. Anyway, happy Halloween to everyone who participates in it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I review something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the